Welcome! In this video, we're going to see the latest developments in ANSA in the field of composites. A new function in the Composite Pre plugin provides the capability of creating a laminate from shell thickness. The function replaces the property of shell elements based on nodal or property thickness with a laminate built by stack of layers with specific thickness. Let's see an example in ANSA. This is a solid description with variable thickness along its longitudinal and transverse direction. The purpose is to capture this geometry by building a stack of layers. The mid-surface has been extracted with the use of casting, and nodal thickness is assigned on the shell elements. From Plugins, Composite Pre select Create Laminate from Shell Thickness. The thickness of the layer that will be used to build the laminate must be specified. The laminate property is created. The Cut Mesh option will provide a more smooth transition. The stack and the cover area of the generated layers are made so the initial geometry is captured. Thank you.